God removes people in our life because He heard conversations that we did not hear. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, kamusta naman ang 2023 ninyo mga kamarishes? Sa akin, promise, parang roller coaster. Nag-umpisa ang 2023 nang walang kabenta-benta mga kamarishes. Akala ko na naman katapusan ko na naman, ganun. Pero ang tumal ay hindi sinusukuan mga kamarishes. Naging struggle ko talaga is yung paglipat ko dito sa Lipa. It took a while for me to adjust ng pagiging nanay, pagiging asawa, at syempre pagiging negosyante. It was really hard for me to strike a balance between everything. Ang pinaka-struggle ko talaga is the kitchen operates 24 hours. Andyan yung nagpe-prep, nag-grocery, tapos lulutuin, ipapack, i-deliver, tapos babantayan mo kung na-deliver safely. And with that responsibility, kailangan mo talaga ng team. And as the business grows, the team that you have should be able to grow with the business. So ayun, middle of this year, na-discover ko na yung team that I currently had at that time, hindi na pala sila tugma dun sa vision and mission talaga ni Spandies. Nag-iiba talaga eh. So now that we have a new team, iba na rin kami mag-operate. Kaya nare-reach namin yung pricing na ipinapromise namin. At first, masakit. Feeling mo, trinaydor ka. Pero if you begin to understand yung ibig sabihin talaga ng destiny, the energy that circulates around and you. And if you go back to your prayers, makikita mo talaga na sinagot ng Diyos lahat ng pinagdasal mo. And let me just share my prayer at the beginning of this year. I prayed for protection. I saw that there was an abuse in the team and I could not do anything about it. I did not even have the courage to kick people out. I also prayed na, Lord, ikaw na ang kumilos. Ikaw na Lord. Ayoko, hindi ko kaya. I prayed for a new team to come in and yan, naibigay sa atin yan. I prayed for balance kasi mahirap maging nanay, negosyante, asawa, at isang daughter at the same time. So naibigay ng Diyos yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko nahahati yung katawan ko pero I was able to do it. And I prayed for more sales. I prayed for the quality of the food to remain the same kahit iba na yung team. So ayun mga Kamarichef, kitang-kita nyo sa mga vlog namin na ang laki na ng in-expand ng Spandies and we are truly blessed. Basta kapit lang sa Diyos. No matter what happens, no matter how many people backstabs me, alam ko kakampi ko ang Diyos and He is greater than everyone kahit maggrupo-grupo pa sila mga Kamarichef. Ang dasal ko naman for 2024 mga Kamarichef is magtuloy-tuloy lang si Spandies. Kahit hindi na muna mag-grow, basta within our capacity, tuloy-tuloy lang. Sabi nga, 'di ba, pray prepared. Kasi baka mamaya, ang prayer mo is, Lord, give me strength. E di bibigyan ka ng problema para maging mas matatag ka. O kaya next naman, ang prayer mo, Lord, give me wisdom. E di mabibigyan ka ng mga pagsubok para ikaw ay maging wiser. O di kaya hihingi ka ng courage kay Lord. E di ang ibibigay sa'yo ay mga bagay na ikinakakatakot mo. So ayun mga Kamarichef, let's all pray prepared for 2024. Bye-bye!